Hey guys, it's Stuart here. Welcome to today's video where we are going to show you how to edit the left-hand section menu bar here in the Meta Business Suite. Just before we get started though, don't forget to hit that like button down below and consider subscribing if you're new to the channel, and don't forget to tap that bell icon for all the notifications on videos like this and many more. Let's get into it. So the first thing that we want to do is go over to the left-hand menu bar here and hover our mouse over underneath all tools until we see the edit button underneath it. We then want to select the edit button, which is going to open up the opportunity for us to select up to 10 tools at one time to appear on our menu bar. You can see here we have currently got 6 that we have selected. Let's start from the ground up. Okay, so the first thing that we would like is to have the inbox section. That is very important to us. We also want to have a look at our ads manager as well as our ads. Another thing that would be helpful too would be to be able to select our services section, and let's also go to the content section here as well. And once we have done that, let's select save. What you can see now is that the menu items have changed on the left-hand side, and that is how easy it is to change the menu in the Meta Business Suite. I hope you found this video useful. It's great, particularly if you need to custom edit it for your business marketing needs. Don't forget to hit that like button down below, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye for now.